Hello students, this is Rajashekaran from MathWar. In this video, we will learn how to factorize the trinomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c. We use splitting the middle term method to factorize it.
Question is factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. You can see this is one trinomial and we don't have any number common. We cannot do it. We cannot go with the grouping method also. Since we cannot do anything for this, we have to follow the splitting the middle term method. So this 5x should be splitted as two terms such that we can use grouping method and we can find out the answer. The method of doing this sum is we should take the coefficient of x square. Actually, since nothing is there, it is 1. The coefficient of x square should be multiplied to the constant term. So 1 into plus 6, that is 6. That should be written here. Plus 6 should be written at the top of the I. And here you can see the coefficient of x term. It is plus 5. With the symbol you should take, it is plus 5. That should be written at bottom of that I. So first thing is you should multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term. With the sign only you should do. So actually it is plus 6. And the coefficient of x term with the sign. So it is plus 5. Yeah. Now what we should do means we should take two numbers such that if you multiply, the plus 6 answer should get, and if you add it we should get plus 5. So factors of 6 are 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6. These two things will come. So now you can see 1 and 6 if you take it means 1 into 6, that value 6 will come, but 1 plus 6 we will not get 5. And even if you put one negative sign, minus 1 plus 6 if you take means minus 1 plus 6. If you add you will get plus 5, but if you multiply you will get minus 6. So this term we can't take it. 1 into 6 we cannot take it. We have to go with another next one. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Now you can take these two factors. If you multiply 2 into 3, we will get plus 6. And if you add 2 plus 3, we will get plus 5. So these are the two factors should be selected. And instead of 5x, we should write it as 2x plus 3x. This is the splitting the middle term. So this x square plus, instead of 5x, we can write it as 2x plus 3x. The 5x can be split as 2x plus 3x and plus 6 will be here. Now again grouping method can be followed. X square plus 2x. In the first two term x is common. If you take it outside, here x will be there, plus 2x. X if we take it outside, 2 will be here. Plus in the second two terms 3 is common. 3 6. 3 is common. If you take it outside, here x is there, plus 6 is there. In that 3 if you take it out, 2 will be there. Now x plus 2 is common, that x plus 2 if we take it out, the remaining number is here x plus 2 if we take it out, here it will be x, plus in this x plus 2 if we take it out, here it will be 3, that is x plus 2 into x plus 3 is the answer. So if you factorize x square plus 5x plus 6, answer is x plus 2 into x plus 3. Next sum, x square minus 5x plus 6. So that we are going to factorize now. As I said, the coefficient of x square, here nothing is there, that means it is 1. That should be multiplied to the constant term. So plus 1 into plus 6, that is plus 6. And you can see the coefficient of x term is minus 5. That should be written down to the I value. Now we should choose two factors such that if you multiply that will come as 6, and if you add that should come as minus 5. So as I said, 1 6er and 2 3er, there are two factors, two set of factors we can see. If you choose 1 and 6, again 1 into 6 is plus 6, but 1 plus 6 7 only here, but we have it as minus 5. So if you want, you can choose like this, 1 and minus 6. 1 plus minus 6 we will get it as minus 5, but 1 into minus 6 is not plus 6, it is minus 6. So this is not possible. We have to choose the another value, that is 2 and 3. So 2 into 3, that is plus 6, but minus 5 we need it. So we should take it as minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, 2 3s are 6, and minus 2 minus 3 answer is minus 5. So this is the correct factor which we should take it. So x square minus 5x can be written as minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. That is equal to, from the first two term, x is common. If you take it out, x minus 2 will be there. X is gone out, so x minus 2 will be there. From the second two term, you can see minus is common. 3 we can take it out. Minus 3 we can take it out. So such that it will come here x minus 3 went out, so x. Here plus is there, so it become minus, and 6 is there. If you take out 3 outside, 2 will be there. Now x minus 2 is common. If you take it outside, x minus 2 into x minus 3 will be there. This x minus 2 alone, if you take it out, here in the first term x alone will be there. The second term again minus 3 will be there. That is x minus 3. So x minus 2 into x minus 3 is the answer for the value x square minus 5x plus 6. Next model. In case the question is x square minus 5x minus 6. Same thing. Again I. On the top of the I, the coefficient of x square, it's 1 into minus 6, it is minus 6. And the bottom of the I, coefficient of x term will come, that is minus 5. The factors are 1, 6 are 6 and 2, 3 are will come. Again, first you can take 1 and 6. If you take it, 1 into 6, it is minus 6 will not come, it is plus 6. So we should keep minus here. If you take minus here, minus 1 into 6, that is minus 6, correct. But minus 1 into, that is minus 1 plus 6 will be, plus 5 will be there. So we cannot take out like this. So we have to try in the other way. So let it be plus and here let it be minus. Plus 1 into minus 6, it will become minus 6. Plus 1 minus 6, here minus 5 will be there. So these are the two correct factors. So you can see plus 1 into minus 6 and plus 1 plus minus 6. Answer is minus 5. So x square minus 5x can be splitted as plus x minus 6x minus 6. That is equal to, from the first two term x is common, that is x plus 1 will be there. X square, x is common outside means remaining 1x will be there. And here this x already we took it outside, so plus 1 will be there. In this minus 6 is common. So if you take it outside, here x will be there, here nothing will be there, that is plus 1 will be there. X plus 1 is common. If you take it outside, the remaining thing x minus 6 will be there. So if we factorize x square minus 5x minus 6, the answer is x plus 1 into x minus 6. Next question, factorize 3x square minus 11x minus 4. So as I said, first you should take the coefficient of x square, that should be multiplied with the constant term. So here I you should use it, and the top of the I, 3 into minus 4, it is minus 12, and the coefficient of x term, it is minus 11, that should be here. And 12 is there, so factors of 12, 1 and 12 we can write, 2 and 6 can be written, 3 and 4 also can be written. So in this only it will come answer. So you can see here, if we want to choose two factors such that if you multiply it should come as minus 12, and if you add that should come as minus 11. And you can see 6 and 2, if you add 2 it will get 8 only, and 3 plus 4 also at maximum it will come as 7. So 11 is there, so most of the chance is here, 12 and 1, there is a chance. You can see here minus 12 we need it. So here 1 into 12, that will become plus 12. So if you use minus 1 here, minus sign if you give it here, minus 1 into plus 12, that will become minus 12, that is correct. But minus 1 plus 12 answer will become plus 11, so it is wrong. So we can't give minus 1, so that will be plus 1. And if you give minus here, so plus 1 into minus 12, you can see here minus 12 you will get, plus 1 minus 12, answer is minus 11. So this is correct. So these are the two factors. So 3x square minus 11x can be written as plus x plus 1x minus 12x. Minus 4 will be there. That is equal to, in the first two terms, x is common. So 3x plus 1 will be here. X we took it outside. So 3 into x plus x already we took it outside. So only 1 will be there. And the second two term minus is common. That we should take it out. 12 and 4. In the number you can see 4 is common. That if I take it out means, you can see minus already we took it out. So it become plus. 12, in that 4 we took it out, so the remaining thing will be 3 and x will be there. So 3x is present in the first term, and minus 4 already we took it outside, so it will become plus 1. I hope you can understand this. Minus 4 if we take it out in these two terms, 3x plus 1 will be there. Now 3x plus 1 is common. That if you take it out, 3x plus 1 into remaining thing x minus 4. So 3x plus 1 into x minus 4 is the answer. When you factorize 3x square minus 11x minus 4. Next sum, factorize 3x minus 2y whole square plus 3 into 3x minus 2y minus 10. So by seeing the question, you can see that only here we have a common common values. We cannot take it out anything common. But one thing, if you notice, this is also one trinomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So what we can do it, we can assume let 3x minus 2y equal to m. Let 3x minus 2y, we can assume it as m. So the equation 3x minus 2y whole square plus 3 into 3x minus 2y plus minus 10 will become as m square plus 3m minus 10. It will become m square plus 3m minus 10. Already it is in the model of ax square plus bx plus c. So using that I method, easily we can find out the answer. So again, use that I. Coefficient of x square is 1, that is coefficient of m square. Here variable is m. Coefficient of m square is 1. That should be multiplied to the constant. So 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. And coefficient of m term, that is middle term, is plus 3. That should be written here. And 10, the factors of 10 we won't write. It is 1 into 10, 2 into 5. These are the two different types of factors will come. 1 into 10 and 2 into 5. Now we should choose, if you choose 1 and 10, even if you subtract 2, maximum 9 will come or 11 will come. You won't get plus 3. So automatically we can go with 5 and 2. You can choose 2 and 5. We need minus 10 and plus 3. So automatically here sign will come. So if you see that minus 2 into plus 5 it become minus 10 and minus 2 plus 5 become plus 3. So it is correct. So we can write this as m square plus 3m can be written as minus 2m plus 5m minus 10. That is equal to, from the first two term, m is common. So m minus 2 will be there. Thus the last two terms you can see 5 is common. So m minus 2 will be there. Now m minus 2 is common. If you take it out, m plus 5 will be there. So m square plus 3m minus 10, if you factorize, it is m minus 2 into m plus 5. But the problem is not yet over because we assumed 3x minus 2y as m. That should be written at last. That is equal to, m value is nothing but 3x minus 2y. So 3x minus 2y minus 2 into 3x minus 2y plus 5 is the answer. If you factorize this, the final answer is 3x minus 2y minus 2 into 3x minus 2y plus 5 will come.
Hope you like this video. Thank you very much.